Hi guys, so today I want to talk about day trading. So day trading is destroying a lot of lives, guys. It's gambling, right? We're gonna talk about that, and we're gonna talk about why I say that. So if you look at the chart here, these are some of the terms that are very popular in day trading these days. You have cryptocurrency, forex, stock markets. These are the most traded vehicles or the most traded tools in the market at the moment, which is cryptocurrency, forex, and the stocks or shares rather. And then you have strategy. So you have guys looking for strategies every day on how to beat the market. They will never find it. I'll explain more in detail. By the way, please like and subscribe so that you get notified when I release new videos. And then also Bitcoin is a bit popular. Bitcoin is just a cryptocurrency, but it has its own branding and it's most popular. So people tend to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to explain different things. And then chart patterns, also people study chart patterns. This is technical analysis to try and obviously beat the market, and by doing so they divide them into a couple of traders. So you have day traders, which is intraday trading. I'll explain what that is, and swing trading. And then people view this whole thing of trading as an investment. It's not an investment, guys. It's gambling. I'll explain. And then we have blockchain, right? People like talking about blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. I'll explain what that is, right? But first of all, let me talk about why I say trading is killing a lot of lives. Trading will make you poor. Don't do it. Do not trade. Why shouldn't you trade? You can just do a quick stats for yourself. Take 10 people who trade, and then out of those 10 people, tell me how many of them are a millionaire, or how many of them are millionaires, or how many of them are rich, or how many of them are wealthy. You will realize that in most cases 0% of those people are rich. It's just a quick stats. You took a sample of 10 people, and then you realize that those people are poor. They keep losing. Second reason why you shouldn't trade is because when I spoke about how to get rich in my other video, we saw how to get rich from a small monthly income, where you start by throwing out the budget. And then after throwing out the budget, I told you to put money aside for growth, which is either you grow by studying further, or you grow by opening a business. That's where people start deviating from the plan. They take that money that's supposed to be put aside for career and business, they do trading, and they look at it as growth. They're trying to grow money. It's not gonna work, right? I specifically said in that video that it's for business or career, not trading. So, and again, the danger of that is that with trading, you can lose your money very quickly, within a day. And after you lose your money, the temptation to stop or to keep on going, it's extreme, just like gambling. So you end up borrowing money and trying to get more money to trade. So you end up messing up your monthly budget. Make sure that you see my video on monthly budget. Once you mess up that structure, you are in deep trouble. And trading is one of the main things that's causing people to mess up that monthly budget structure that's gonna make you rich. Once you mess up that structure, you're never gonna be rich. Right? So that's what I'm saying, it's destroying a lot of lives, because people take a little bit of what they have, they trade, they get addicted to trade, they lose money, then they take a little bit of what they don't have and they trade with it, and then the whole structure is messed up, and then from there it's a snowballing effect, right? It's an avalanche. It's like it's crap after crap, right? Don't do it. Anyways, let's get into this chart here. Look, if you have been trading for like 5 years, for a couple of years rather, let's say 3 years, and yeah, if you have been trading for a couple of years, 3 or above, consider getting professional help, right? Consider getting professional help, because it's a disease, it's gambling, it's gonna destroy you. The easiest way to see that it's gonna destroy you, what you can do is look at your life from the time you started trading to the time after you started trading, right? Or you know what you can do, you can look at your life now, your net worth now, in terms of money, relationships, and overall well-being, right? You look at it now, and then go back 1 year ago, and then look at it back then. You will realize that your life is depreciating. Your life is losing value in all dimensions: wealth, health, and wisdom, right? Because you're not even gaining wisdom with trading, you're gaining these silly chart patterns that keeps on making you losing money, right? And you end up thinking that you're smart, but you're not. That's why you don't have money, right? So let's look at this chart, guys, because I don't want to make this video long, right? Cryptocurrency is, so a lot of people like trading cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, because it's a fancy thing which got introduced by blockchain, and when something is trending, people tend to follow the trend, so they want to trade without even understanding what it is or what it does, So let me give you a little bit of information on what it is and what it does. So blockchain was introduced mainly by the supply chain in business, supply chain in the finance department, mainly because they were struggling with controlling transactions. When you pay, you need to record a payment as proof of purchase, and some supply chain organizations can be very intense, like 7-Eleven. I think that 7-Eleven is a huge organization, and their supply chain is extremely diverse, so they needed some sort of electrical way to do transactions with less human interventions. So they created a way to digitally do transactions, which is blockchain. Now the banking department, or like the finance department, decided to adopt blockchain as well, because it's more convenient, right? So when it got into finance, that's where the problem started, right? because people now think that they can trade, they can trade cryptocurrency as they used to trade forex. And it was a very popular thing because this was going to change the economy and make everything easy in the finance department and in the supply chain department. But people, regular people, think that this is an opportunity for them to make money. It's not. That's why now, right? Bitcoin is crashing like nobody's business. So Bitcoin is one example of cryptocurrency. So I'm telling you why the hype around cryptocurrency and where it came from. Right? So anyways, I was explaining blockchain. Blockchain is just an electronic general ledger, meaning that it's a document that electronically captures transactions, right? And then and then people decided to create an electronical payment, right, to use that can also be used on blockchain to capture that transaction, and that's where cryptocurrency got in, right? And then there was an opportunity to trade cryptocurrency just like forex, and then people started trading it. That's why the hype, because it promised the future in changing economy, but not for trading. So don't go with the hype of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and blockchaining, seeing it all over on the internet, right? It's because of the economy, it's not because of you trading. Forex and the stock market have been there forever. I just Google for. I'm sure everybody knows about forex. A lot of people have lost money about forex. If you don't know somebody who has lost money with forex, then you need to network more, right? I'm sure you will find a person who's lost money in forex. Everybody just keeps on losing money with forex. What differentiates people who will be rich and people who will be poor is people who lose money with forex, they immediately stop. Rich people, they immediately stop and they realize that this is dangerous. Now people who will be poor, when they lose money, they think that law of attraction, one day I'll get the money. Once you start thinking like that, it's gambling. Get professional help. You'll keep losing money here. Just calculate how much money you've lost throughout the years and tell your friends to stop trading. Stock market, same thing as forex. If you don't know what the stock market is, just find somebody in your inner circle. They have invested in the stock market, they have lost money, right? It's not a secret. Just ask them to be honest with you, right? It happens to everybody. Whether they learned or they didn't learn is another issue. That determines the kind of person that they are, right? Now, why did Warren Buffett, if stock market is very dangerous, now the question becomes, why did Warren Buffett then become rich because of the stock market? Because Warren Buffett is an investor, right? Warren Buffett got rich because he bought stocks and he didn't do intraday trading or swing trading. What is intraday trading and what is swing trading? Intraday trading is when you buy and sell within 24 hours during the day. Swing trading is when you buy and sell in a couple of days or a couple of weeks. So it's short-term buying and selling. Warren Buffett was not doing that crap. Warren Buffett was investing. What is investing? Investing is putting money in a financial vehicle like stock market, forex, or crypto for a long term, like 10 years or more. If you're not doing that, you're a gambler. You're not an investor. Now, that's why Warren Buffett got rich when he was in his 50s. Because he invested for many years when he was still young. He started when he was still young. And then he only got rich in his 50s. We can probably say he got rich after 40 years of investing. He was not doing trading. He was not trading, he was investing. There's a difference. Trading, you're gambling, buying stocks on a short period of time within a year and selling them within a year. Investing, you're buying them and holding them for over a year. Now here's an interesting thing. If you buy stocks and hold them for more than 10 years, you will realize that these stocks, they increased by 10% every year. They cannot, like, there is a chance that you can lose, there's a chance that you can gain, but the gains, they won't be excessive. They will be around 10% per year. That's why it took Warren Buffett so long to get rich. It's not magic. Investing is not magic. You can achieve, my point is, you can achieve the same 10% with investing in a bank for 5 years, fixed term interest rate. Go to your bank, any bank, ask them for a 5-year investment plan, and then ask them also for a fixed rate investment 5-year investment plan, and ask them how much interest you'll be getting. They'll tell you 10%. End of story. So stock market, basically, an investment, basically, is nothing. It's not magic there. You can get the same returns as you would do at the bank. So if you would get the same if with the stock market investing, you would get the same interest rate as you'd get with the banking fixed rate investment, then what's the use of stock market? Literally, there's no use. That's why I said don't go there. Use that plan that I explained on how to get rich, and then you'll do that. You will get rich. Let's continue. Strategy. A lot of people spend a lot of days, trying to find strategy, technical analysis, whatnot. Take all those technical gurus and tell me if they are rich. They are not. No technical guru who's trading stocks or whatever financial vehicle is rich. None of them. Then if you think that you will be the first to be rich, then maybe you might want to see a professional, you might want to seek professional help, isn't it? Because you already have the proof, you already have the numbers, but somehow you're illusional about you being the first to get the strategy on how to get rich using stocks. I don't work with delusions and whatnot. See a professional doctor? I'm not. My brother is a psychologist. I can hook you up with my brother. They will counsel you. Can organize some free counseling for you. Bitcoin, we've already talked about that. Chart patterns, same thing. People analyze chart patterns for intraday trading and swing trading and whatnot. Don't do it. Waste of time. Take that money, invest in education, get a degree, get a certificate, get a diploma, get a master's degree, and work and grow, and then you implement that plan that I talked about, and then get rich. If you don't want to get rich, do this, trade. If you want to get rich, look at that video and get rich. Simple. And then every other thing I've explained here. I hope this makes sense, guys. Thank you very much for joining me.